How many states and union territories are there in India? Answer is A. 28 states and 8 union territories. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the author of Ramayana? Answer is D. Valmiki. How many languages does the Indian Constitution recognize? Answer is C. 22. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it? Answer is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which is the largest site of Indus civilization? Answer is B. Mohenjo-daro. Who is called the father of Indian cinema? Answer is B. Dada Saheb Phalke. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer is D. Aravalli Range. Which of the following is the highest military award in India? Answer is D. Paramveer Chakra. Which of the following is the highest honor for police in India? Answer is C. President's Police Gallantry Award. Which of the following is the highest civilian award in India? Answer is C. Bharat Ratna. Which of the following is the highest sports award in India? Answer is A. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. How many countries are there in the world? Answer is B. 195. How many spokes are there in Ashoka Chakra? Answer is B. 24. Which is the first national park in India? Answer is A. Jim Corbett National Park. In which state is Ranthambore National Park located? Answer is C. Rajasthan. Where is Kanchenjunga National Park located? Answer is D. Sikkim. Green muffler is related to pollution of? Answer is D. Noise. Ozone is present in which of the layers of atmosphere? As answer is A. Stratosphere. Which gas causes the depletion of the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere of the Earth? Answer is C. Chlorofluorocarbon. Who was the founder of Brahma Samaj? Answer is B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who founded the Arya Samaj in India? Answer is A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. When was the East India Company established in India? Answer is C. 1600. When did Vasco da Gama came to India? Answer is B. 1498 AD. Satriya is a classical dance of which state? Answer is A. Assam. Onam is a festival of which state? Answer is D. Kerala. What is the traditional bamboo dance of Mizoram called? Answer is C. Cherao dance. Agra Fort is located in which state? Answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Red Fort is located in which state? Answer is B. Delhi.